Right, welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 2.1 of sequences, part 1. The quadratic number pattern, this is the quadratic number pattern, is a constant second difference of 1. Show that P is equal to 7 and Q is equal to 16. So what we do here, what we know about the quadratic sequence, the second difference is constant, and in this case we're told that it is equal to 1. So let's just do that. We have 4p, 11, q, and 22. These are the terms of the sequence. So the first difference, let's do the first differences. The first difference is p minus 4. P minus 4. And the first difference here is 11 minus p. And then we have q minus 11, and then we have 22 minus q. Okay, and then let's do the second differences. Right, it's going to be, let's put our things in the bracket so that we don't make mistakes. So it's 11 minus p minus p minus 4. So you put your things in the bracket like that, and then we have q minus 11 minus 11 minus p, and then the last one we have 22 minus q minus q minus 11. Right, let's remove the brackets. We're distributing the negatives here, negative. So this one is going to be 11 minus p, and then negative 1 times p is negative p, negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. And then here we have q minus 11. Again, we're distributing the negative 1. Negative 1 times 11 is negative 11. Negative 1 times negative p is positive p. Right here, we have 22 minus q. Distribute minus negative 1. Distribute negative 1. So negative 1 times q is negative q. Then negative 1 times negative 11 is plus 11. Let's simplify our things. 11 plus 4, that is 15. Then negative p minus p, that's negative 2p. That's the second difference here. That's the second difference. And then the other second difference here, we say q plus p. It still remains as q plus p. Then negative 11 minus 11 is negative 22. Okay. And then 22 plus 11, that's 33. Then negative q minus q is negative 2q. Now we're told that this is equal to 1 from here. This is also equal to 1. This is also equal to 1. So we can choose any that we want to use. So I think it would be better to use this one and this one. This will be faster. So let's start with the first one. 15 minus 2p is equal to 1. So meaning that 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 is equal to, if we transpose this one this side, we transposed 1 to the left hand side, become negative 1. Then 15 minus 1 is 14, then is equal to 2p. Divide by p on both, divide by 2 on both sides of the equation, then p is equal to 7. We have proved that. And then we use 33 minus 2q is equal to 1, because we're told that these are equal to 1. And then we transpose this one to the left hand side, becomes 33 minus 1, which is 32. We transpose this one to the right hand side, is equal to 2q. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So q is equal to 16. Done. Okay. Right. Even if you substitute your p here, we got that p is 7. So you can substitute your p here, put 7, and then say q plus 7 minus 22 is equal to 1. You still get q is equal to 16. Okay.